Hey guys, welcome, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the Micromax X741. So this is the device itself. Inside the box you get the device, you get a battery, you get a charger, and you get a pair of headphones, which I don't need right now. So the first thing you need to do is to actually put the battery into the smartphone. This battery, it's a 1750 mAh battery. Okay, you can see it's got Micromax branding on it, and it comes discharged. So the first thing you want to do is actually put it in and charge it. So what you need to do for that is at the back of the smartphone, on the bottom, let's see, on the bottom left side over here, that's the bottom left, there's a little groove. I'll show it to you. There on the back of the smartphones, at the bottom left there's a tiny little groove where your fingernail can go in there. So that's where you need to put your nail in and pry it open, and just open the entire back. It just comes off. Okay, so the entire back just comes off like that, and that reveals the back of the smartphone. So as you can see, it says Micromax X741. This is a dual SIM smartphone, so there are two IMEI numbers are given clearly over there, and there are two SIM card slots. There's also a micro SD card slot. So before you actually put the battery in, if you have two SIM cards and your micro SD card, do put those in here. And then what you need to do for the battery is, if you turn it around at the back, you'll see that there are three metallic pin connectors right there. And on the smartphone at the bottom right, there are three pin connectors. So you just need to line those up, and those go in and press it in, right, like that. Okay, so that's how it goes. Once you've done that, close it up, and with the charging port is at the bottom. The micro USB charging port is right there at the bottom. Okay, and right next to the headphone jack. So just plug it in and charge it. Okay, so I've actually already charged it, and I'll go ahead and switch it on for you guys. Now there's a sticker on the front, obviously, so you'll have to remove the sticker. I'll do that very carefully. And once it's charged, this is the power button. So I'm just going to go ahead and switch it on. There you go. As you can see, it's come on. There's a Micromax animation, and now the phone is switched on. Now this phone actually locks and unlocks by pressing that. So as you can see, now it's locked right now. The screen is locked. It says unlock over there. So you need to press on the left side of the phone, this left button, and immediately after that the star key, and it gets unlocked. So now it says menu. I can go into the menu. I'll show you some of the features of this phone. So in the menu, as you can see, it says messaging. There's camera. I'll bring this up closer to you guys. There's a camera. There's call history, of course, camera. Let's see. Open the camera. So it's got a camera within it. Go back. Messaging, video club, multimedia, fun and games. There's a file manager. There's something called MI Alive. There's an organizer. There's the settings, of course, connectivity, phone book, and those are the options in menu. In case you're wondering how to play the radio, I believe it's in multimedia. So if you just go to multimedia, and within multimedia there's an image viewer, there's a video recorder, there's a video player, music player, sound recorder, and there's FM radio. So that's the FM radio playing right now. It's quite loud actually. So I'll just switch that off. Okay, so and when you switch it off, the Micromax animation plays again and it goes off. So there you have it, folks. That was how you set up, and I've showed you how to actually access the FM radio on the Micromax X741. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.